Hey there, my name is Holly and I make videos about personal development and how they relate to weight loss and what you can do to improve your life. Today I'm here to talk to you about the weight loss industry and why the weight loss industry is a complete scam. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably tried everything from low carb diets like Atkins, South Beach diet, maybe even keto diet or the paleo diet, to Weight Watchers, to Jenny Craig, to Slimming World, to even the extremes that I went to and having weight loss surgery, which in hindsight was probably one of the worst things I could have ever done for myself. Promoting that is, in my opinion, just a total mind F. Instead of having people eat in a calorie deficit, exercise more, that's really the true formula to get people to lose weight. But there's also another component, and mindset, which is what my videos are about and what I'm here to inform you on. So let me start by asking you a question. Have you tried any of those diets or anything else? Raise your hand. If you're anything like me, you've tried several in your life. Maybe you've had some success. Maybe you've dropped a significant amount of weight. Maybe you haven't. Maybe you've moved from diet to diet to diet just to try something different to see what works for you. But really what it comes down to is one thing: eating less calories, burning more calories in order to lose weight. What is the most important component in the formula has to do with your mindset. We as a society have been lied to for years. We have repeatedly been told by the weight loss industry that weight maintenance and weight loss are the same thing. In fact, this is not true. Weight loss and weight maintenance are not the same thing. Weight loss is supposed to last for only a short, predetermined amount of time. Let's say 12 months, give or take, depending on how much weight you have to lose. Weight maintenance is then the bit that kicks in after the weight loss. And weight maintenance is supposed to last for the rest of your life. We're not supposed to go up and down, up and down, up and down into weight loss, weight maintenance, weight loss, weight maintenance. That's the model diets, let's put the Weight Watchers out there, for instance, have you do. You go in there, they say, welcome back. Oh, you gained a little bit. That's okay. We'll get you back on track. And they're all about the counting the points and, fruits and veg are free and things like that. It's just a complete cycle of up and down, weight loss, weight maintenance, weight loss, weight maintenance, up and down, up and down, up and down the yo-yo diet. And especially with Weight Watchers, for example, sorry to throw them under the bus, but you pay, depending on how long you're there. And that model works for them because people come up and down, up and down, up and down. And that's just not the way it's supposed to work. Weight loss should be for a short, predetermined amount of time, 12 months, maybe 14 months, depending if you have a lot of weight to lose. I myself am in the midst of losing about 150 pounds right now. And I am on a predetermined track to lose that weight within a year. That's my plan, that's my goal, that's what I'm striving and working so hard towards right now. And is it easy? No, but it is very extremely simple. And I'm here to show you guys and tell you what steps you can take in order to make this work for you. Why is the weight loss industry lying to us? It all comes down to one thing: money. That's what makes the world go round. People in weight loss making scads of money because of the gimmicks and the lies that they're selling everybody. I, for one, am a biochemist. I work for one of the largest biopharmaceutical companies on the planet, and they're currently one of the people selling an injectable weight loss drug that people are clamoring to get regardless of the negative side effects and what it can do to your stomach. Now, granted, I've pretty much just started my journey. I am nearly 6 weeks in, and I'm down 11.3 pounds so far. So this is by far the best I've ever done on a weight loss program. I'm enjoying it. I'm changing my life for the better. I'm changing my mindset. I'm doing all the good things, and I'm motivated, I'm encouraged, and I want to encourage you to do the same. And I'm here to genuinely help you, and we can do this together. It's going to be fun. It's going to be great. Strap yourself in. Let's go. Guys, I believe in personal development so much. I've read probably hundreds of books at this point. I've educated myself. I've read articles. I've read studies. I've delved in. I've watched videos. I follow all the doctors. I've done all the research for you. I'm here to help make this easy for you and as compliant as possible. And if you have any questions, I'm here to answer anything. So please leave me questions down below. I'd love to get to know you better. So I guess this would probably be a good time to share a little bit about my story. My highest weight was about 350 pounds, and that was before I had the lap band surgery. I had the lap band surgery, and I dropped probably about 50 pounds pretty quick, mostly because you're not really able to eat much, and I was desperately afraid to throw up. And I know that could happen with weight loss surgery, so I was kind of afraid to eat for a while, but then got into things. And then, the problem with the lap band is because sometimes it's really hard for food to go through it. You eat what's called slider foods, or things that are really easy to break down, maybe like a smoothie, for instance. Stuff that isn't sticky, like bread is a really difficult one to eat, but just things that would go through really easy, like, cheese is a really good example. And we'll get into that because I had quite the addiction to cheese. But whatever was easy to get in, get calories, feel full, that's what it was all about for me. So really, in essence, the lap band did absolutely nothing to teach me about calorie density or moving my body or restricting certain foods. Literally, the doctors would tell you, hey, you can eat whatever you want, it's just going to be in a smaller portion. Okay, in hindsight, maybe that sounds great and you think it's all wonderful, but you can actually stretch your stomach pouch out. And I fully believe that I was one of the people that did that. Yeah, I never went back up over 300 pounds again, but probably hovered around 290 for probably close to 10 years before I started the weight loss journey I'm on now. And I started out at 282.8 pounds, and currently I'm at 271.5 and counting, because I will never go up and be that weight ever again. That's just not in my mind. It's never going to happen again. I'm on the path to get down to my dream goal weight, which is 135 pounds and a totally normal BMI, even though I think the BMI thing is a bunch of BS. But to follow that, I really want to be under a 25 BMI, be in the normal weight range, and be able to wear clothes that I'm dying to wear. I'm so excited. I'm on the path. I'm having a blast, and everything's looking great, and I'm here for it. So if you're kind of in the same position I am, which I'm guessing you are if you clicked on this video, I'm here to help you. I'm excited to help you. Check out my Instagram down below. Send me a DM just to say hey, and that you're here with me, and let's do this together. It's gonna be fun. I plan to post every single week on YouTube. Plan to post things on Instagram. And so please check me out. Let's chat, let's be friends, and let's do this journey together. It's gonna be awesome. And just to put it out there, you don't have to be vegan, vegetarian, you could be a carnivore, omnivore, it doesn't matter. This way of life works for everybody. There is no telling you have to, only eat plant-based, as I am plant-based. This journey is for anybody, and there's no restriction on your different way of eating. It's going to change any of this whatsoever. Come along for the journey. So if you're tired of all the gimmicks and all the lies we've been told for our entire lives when it comes to weight loss, follow me on Instagram. Smash that subscribe button, because we're going to go heavily in depth on this journey together, on the different things that we can change to get us to our goals. Thanks for watching my video. I hope to talk to you guys soon. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.